National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lincoln University, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Downingtown, Limerick, Saratoga, Green Lane, Red Hill, Quakertown, Coopersburg, and Hulltown. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Coatesville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lindale, Ludwig's Corner, Limerick, Linfield, Saratoga, Pottstown, Frederick, Green Lane, and Red Hill. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Limerick. A tornado warning remains in effect for Montgomery County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Ludwig's Corner, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: trained spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Putown, Bucktown, Saratoga, Limerick, Pottstown, Kenilworth, Fagleyville, Frederick, Green Lane, and Red Lane. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is occurring. People at the Limerick Generating Station should seek safe shelter immediately. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas: Berks, PA, Chester, PA, Montgomery, PA, effective until further notice. WPVI. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Excellent Generation Company, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services. As a result of the tornado, Reactor 1 has been damaged. There is a possibility of a reactor emergency and meltdown of this reactor. Anyone within a 10-mile radius of the Limerick Generating Station is advised to evacuate. This is due to the possibility of hazardous materials being released into the air. Should the disaster at the plant be categorized as a general emergency, a mandatory evacuation will be issued for those within a 25-mile radius. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Excellent Generating Company, FEMA, and the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. As of 7:55 p.m. this evening, a general emergency was declared for the Limerick Generating Station. Due to this unfortunate circumstance, all people within a 25-mile radius of the plant are advised to evacuate. Take food, water, and essential supplies that will last you and your family at least 14 days. Should the plant explode, toxic fallout will spread across the area of about 50 miles. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in acute radiation syndrome and/or sickness, followed by potential death. Act urgently and evacuate now.
This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Limerick Generating Company and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I say once more, this is not a test. At 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Reactor 1 of the Limerick Generating Station, located in Limerick Township, Pennsylvania, has exploded. All people receiving this message are encouraged to do the following: close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating, air conditioning, and ventilation systems, seal all cracks on windows and doors with damp towels or tape, close all fireplaces, ensure you have supplies to last you and your family 14 days, and most importantly, keep calm. If you are driving and receiving this message and are at least 5 minutes away from your destination, get to your destination and shelter in place. Those who are not are urged to find a close shelter. Due to this explosion, fallout will spread at least 50 miles away from the station. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Should you or your loved one be exposed for a decent period of time to fallout, it could lead to acute radiation syndrome and/or sickness, followed by potential death. Ensure you have a way to receive further information and the all clear, such as a battery-powered radio or a NOAA weather radio. Do not waste time and act now. Stay tuned for more information on this unfortunate event.